Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to leave a clan in Warframe. This is useful if you want to play solo or if you plan to join a different clan. To leave a clan, press the Escape key on your keyboard and go to Communication. From there, go to Clan and you will see the member list. Hover over your username and right-click on your own name. You'll see an option called Leave Clan. You will be prompted to confirm. If you really want to leave the clan, click OK. As a quick note, if you are the founding warlord of the clan, you must first transfer your leadership to another member before you can leave the clan. And that sets it. You've learned how to leave a clan by accessing the clan menu, selecting your profile from the member list and confirming the Leave Clan option, along with the important restriction for founding warlords. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.